Even photos to take, and it is snowing, so I know you probably can't see it in the camera, but this is how my day goes. So finding cool areas, scenes, snowy scenes, walking through parks, getting that perfect picture. And yes, it's cold, it's freezing. I got my camera, you see my camera, so out here huffing it. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I do on hiking in the trail. There's my son, who decided he was camera shy and decided to go back the other way whenever there was a nice hill that we were actually going to climb. So actually, see if I can show you. Looks kind of cool. We're going to check it out. Hold on. I don't even know if I can switch it. No, can't switch it. But yeah, so we will see what these photos end up being. So I guess the point of this is just to get out there, walk, enjoy nature. Even if it is snowing, it's one of the prettiest sights to see when you have all the snow sticking to all the trees. It's beautiful. So even though it's a little chilly, I am absolutely enjoying it. My son, who's walking back there, probably not so much. He's like, it's cold. I'm like, that's why it's snowing. But anywho, bunch of chatting. Let's see what kind of, oh boy. And there he goes running. Wow. Yeah, I can't do that. If I did that, I would be busting my butt. But we got a nice little river here. We got nice hills, trees in the background. I don't know if maybe if I hold it out like that, you can see a little better. And then, of course, behind me, I'm going to be walking up this hill. See how it goes. So exploring different parks. I've never been to this one. I will, since I can't remember right now what this park is called, I will end up finding out whenever I get back home. I'll be able to list it and be able to let you guys know. So you might see that on the top of your screen. But I will also show you what reference photos you can get when exploring different areas. Even locally, wherever you guys live, there's always parks. So, all right, let's see what happens. And I'll show you my videos coming up. Bye, y'all.